This video is about how we made our trip plan to South Dakota. Be with us till end, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to stay connected with us and encourage us. The trip was started on Wednesday evening and we drove to Coeur d'Alene. Stayed at a B&B. Yes, we like to stay in B&Bs because we can meet new people, we get a home-like feeling. If you also like it, you can book B&Bs too. I am sharing the link in description so you and I both will get some advantage in your first booking. Starting from Coeur d'Alene really early in the morning, we stopped at Coeur d'Alene Lake, clicked some Candid. Weather was really bad and it was going to be a long driving day from Coeur d'Alene to Gillette, from Idaho to Wyoming crossing Montana, so we didn't spend much time there. It was approximately 13 hours drive including some gas stop, coffee stop, and got heavy snowfall in between the road. Reached late evening at Gillette and spent the night. Next day, Friday, we started our trip by visiting Davis Tower National Monument. It is in the border of Wyoming and South Dakota. You will get all the details from our first video of South Dakota, sharing the link. On the way to Mount Rushmore National Memorial. Next morning, we again visited Mount Rushmore to hike the trail, followed by Badlands National Park. We really had a great time in Badlands. Spent the whole day there, and after visiting Wild Rug, we got back to Rapid City to spend another night, linking this episode also. Our night stay was booked in Rapid City. We covered Sylvan Lake, Needless Highway Loop Road, Custer State Park, and Wildlife Loop Road. Jewel Cave, Wind Cave were closed for pandemic situation, and Iron Mountain Road was closed for snow. Detailed video is linked up and in description. We are going to follow this road and cover Wildlife Loop. It was Sunday and time to drive back. We covered Bighorn National Forest, Cell Falls, on the way to Bozeman. Cell Falls is definitely a must visit. And the last day, drive back to home at Bellevue. Again, we got so much snow. The first snow of the season for us. We enjoyed a lot, but it was really scary to driving on the snow. Thanks for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on the video and share with your friends and family. Keep watching, keep loving. See you next week.